In terms of filters for the triple direct lines, we start off with a 1 micron sediment filter to remove dirt, then a very high grade carbon with KDF to remove chlorine and also inhibit bacteria growth inside the cartridge, as well as remove some heavy metals. And then as a final stage, we have a nominal rated 0.1 micron as a barrier for bacteria. If, however, you're in a situation where you've got quite a significant amount of bacteria, one of the first options you can do is you can swap out the initial sediment filter, still for a 1 micron filter, but now with one which has silver embedded in it to prevent the bacteria growth of inside the cartridge itself. And then the next option would be where this is a nominal rated 0.1 micron. We have got a absolute rated 0.1 micron, and the difference being that the nominal means on average you'll remove things that is 0.1 micron size, whereas an absolute rated one means that the largest particles that will get through is 0.1 micron. So you've got a much higher degree of certainty that you will catch all the bacteria with an absolute cartridge than you do with a nominal cartridge.